Hello everyone, my name is Sneha Roy. I am a final year student of IHM Chennai. Thanks to Karamat for giving us this opportunity to showcase our creativity in this pandemic period. Karamat has launched a great range of ready to cook food. So today I'll be making Shammi Kebab with gravy. For this dish, I'll be using two Karamat products. One is Shammi Kebab marinade mix and another one is Karamat tomato makhni gravy.
Here I have taken 400 grams of minced chicken and chana dal and mixing it with Karamat Shammi Kebab marinade mix. We have to mix it properly and make a dough and keeping it aside for few minutes. After few minutes, I am taking small amount of the dough and trying to make small round patty shape. After making few patties, we need to shallow fry it. Here I am taking Karamat tomato makhni gravy mix and mixing it with water and making a lump-free paste. Now we have to take a pan and drizzle some oil. After the oil gets heated, I am adding garlic and onion and sauteing for few minutes. When onion turns golden brown, add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Now I am adding the prepared tomato makhni gravy paste. After boiling it for few minutes, adding the mixed spice powder and let it boil for few times. After it gets properly boiled, add 1 teaspoon of butter and fresh cream. Now we have to add the spice mix powder of tomato makhni gravy. Lastly, add the kebabs into the boiled gravy and let it boil for few minutes more. I am garnishing it with fresh cream and coriander leaves.